Hello everyone, welcome back to the Scratch tutorial. So in this particular video we are going to see about block palettes under block menu looks. Okay, so in the past video we have seen block menu motion. Right now we are going to see block menus looks. Okay, so looks is something very interesting in this whole script. Okay, so let us see how this looks. Okay. Okay, as before I have taken the sprite dino only. Okay, this dino is going to play with us in this video. Okay, so let us see how it works. First block palette is say hello for 2 seconds. Okay, I have just dragged to the script area. If I just click on it, see here, hello, just it says for 2 seconds, that's it. Okay, okay, right now if I just give this way, say hello, it doesn't disappear after 2 seconds. It just keep on there in the stage till I press this stop button. Okay, if I just click the stop button, it disappears. Okay, so this is the difference between say hello for 2 seconds and say hello. Okay, okay, done. So now if I want to keep something like thinking, okay, so thinking, it is thinking. Before it was say. Say means it is that. Can you see the difference between say outer structure and think outer structure? Okay, thinking. Okay, so as like here, thinking for 2 seconds and think until I press red button. This is okay. If I press this red button, it disappears. Till then it will be there in the stage. Okay, okay, that's it. 4 block palettes we have completed. Now show, let us, before explaining the block palette show, let me explain the hide. Okay, if I just click on this hide, my dino will disappear from the stage. See here, right, disappear. Okay, now how to make it appear back? That's very simple. Show, if I drag it to the area and if I click show, that's it. Okay, show and hide. Okay, so I'm just explaining you the functionalities of the block. Okay, so how to use and how to make an animation, I'll be explaining you separately. Right now I want to introduce you or give the exposure on all the functionalities. That's why I'm just taking this video. Okay, okay, so then next goes switch costume to Dinosaur 1G. Okay, before that let us see what are all the costumes available for this dinosaur. Okay, so there are so many number of costumes. Can you see? It has total 7 costumes. Okay, okay, see here, switch costume to Dinosaur G. Okay, which means what is the Dinosaur 1G costume? This is the one. Okay, let us see this costume 3, Dinosaur 1C, so that we will find the difference visibly. 1C. If I click on this, it changes to the costume Dinosaur 1C. Yes, it changes. Okay, if I now back and click Dinosaur 1D, yes, it changes, right? Yes. Okay, so if you want to move to the particular costume, then you can just specify and click on this palette. Okay, next costume, see here, next costume means whatever costume appears after this. Okay, if it is let us check what is this costume number, for which we can use this one. Okay, if I check this, so this is the costume number 7. Okay, if I click, it moves to the costume number 8. Okay, sorry, 7 is the last, right? Okay, then it moves to the first, then 2. So for each click it increases. Okay, when it comes to the 7, it resets and comes back to 1. Okay, see here, next costume, it seems like dancing like. I'll make it little more interesting. See here, I'm just taking this move block from the motion, move block palette from the motion blocks. Okay, I'm just making it 70 step. Okay, let it be here, let it be in the corner. Okay, see here, it is like dancing, right? Let us make it here. Okay, and we can use this edge also. If on edge, bounce back. Okay, see here. Okay, so on the edge it is bouncing and dancing. Can you see the difference? If it touches the edge, it is bouncing and bouncing back and dancing. Can you see? Isn't it amazing? Yes. Okay, So I'm just putting it back to the list. Okay, right now switch backdrop to. So right now we haven't selected any backdrop. Okay, let me select the backdrop and I'll just explain you how this block palette works. Okay, so for which I'm going to the backdrop library. Let us choose some perfect backdrop for the dino. Okay, some forest backdrop, it will work, right? Let us search the forest backdrop. Okay, I guess we don't have any. Okay, let us select this woods. Okay, woods backdrop. Okay, okay, he is tilted, right? Let us go to the motion, select the sprite. Okay, and let us make him to point left side, right side. Okay, point 90 degree. Yes, right now he is back to the position. Okay, just going to the part. Okay, and also I'm going to select another one backdrop. Okay, which is let us keep it simple. So I'm just selecting this desert. Okay, okay, desert. Okay, so two backdrop I have so far selected. Okay, so for programming so far, can you see we have so many palettes dropped here, but there is no palettes here, right? Can you say why? Can you think and say why? Because right now we have selected the stage backdrop. Okay, all the thing we have dropped for Dino 1. Okay, Dino 1. If I just click on this Dino 1, all the blocks which we have used appeared, right? See here. Okay, right now switch to backdrop. Okay, let us keep track what is the backdrop number also. Okay, backdrop name also, for which I am just checking this. Okay, so my backdrop name is desert. Okay, woods, desert and backdrop 1. If it is backdrop 1, it is a plain backdrop, which means you don't have any any design over it. It is a plain white. See here, I just giving backdrop 1, just checking plain. Okay, now woods comes. Okay, just desert. Now desert comes into the picture. Okay, so this is how we can switch to backdrops also. Okay, back to the list. Now the second thing is change color effect. Okay, right now we are going to change the color effect by color effect of this dino. Right now our dino looks, okay, for our convenience I am making the backdrop to backdrop 1, so that it will be easy for us to, sorry, okay, okay, so backdrop 1. Okay, right now it is in the green color, right? So I would like to change the color effect by 25, which means see the color changes little bit. Again if I give 25, it changes. Okay, from the green shade it changes and goes to the red shade and again comes. Okay, so you can give the values as much you want and you can change the shade. Okay, let us stop it. Okay, you can change the fisheye. These are the available options you can change. Okay, so whatever you want you can do it. Okay, right now I have changed the color effect only. Okay, now you can also set the colors also, set the colors and rest of the options are also available. Okay, this you can just experiment by your own. Okay, than my explanation, you can experiment by your own. Okay, so now set color to 0. Okay, so there is no option, there is no, I am not just giving any other color, it needs to get to set its own color. Okay, if I change to 40, let us see, set color to 40. So now the color changes, right? Okay, so depending upon your need you can change the color of dino. Okay, okay, so as of now I don't want any graphic effect. Okay, any graphics applied. Okay, like any color or any fisheye. See here, fisheye effect, can you see it just bulges? Vril means, can you see? So it is just simple things. Okay, pixelate. Okay, pixelate, mosaic. Okay, mosaic is something it appears. Okay, and brightness, I just want to change the brightness to 40 and ghost effect. Okay, So all the things I have shown you. So if I don't want any effects in it, I want my back dyno back, I want my original dyno back, then I can click this clear graphic effect. That's it. So all the effects gone and our original dyno came. Okay. Okay. Right now here the change size by 40. Before this I would like to check this box. Okay. And see here. Right now my dyno size is 100%. If I want to decrease it by 50%, just give the value and just click the block palette. It changes to the size 50%. Okay. If I want to increase by 10, see here 60% increase. Can you see the size here? By 10 I am increasing. Can you see it increases to 70, increases to 80, 90 and 100. This is the size. You can also take it to 200 also. So double the size right now. See here 200 also. So this size you can very well fix according to your need. Okay. Okay. I'm just placing everything back to the list. Okay. Back to the list. And go to front. Okay. So for which I need to select another one sprite for this block palette explanation. So if I have some banana here. Okay. So I have banana here. So if banana is hiding back, okay, let us keep this banana is hiding back. Okay, right now this banana is hiding back this dinosaur. Okay, if I want to take it in front of this dino, then this block will be useful. Okay, see here for this particular sprite you have to drag the block accordingly. Okay. Till now I have been dragging the block palettes to this dino script area. Right now I am just dragging the black block palettes to the banana script area. Okay. So go to front, click, it comes to the front. Okay. Right now if you go back to the dino and click go to front, dino comes front. Okay. So if you have more sprite stacked together, then you can just use go to front for particular sprite which you need. Okay. Putting into the list, then go back to one layer. Okay. So here only one layer is there. So go back one layer or through layer. Just see here, if I just take another one sprite here. Okay. So there are one ball. Okay. Our dino is front. Okay. Dino is front, then banana comes and then ball comes. Okay. So I want my dino to go back one layer, which means our ball is there. If I say go back another one layer, banana also goes. Okay. So again I am putting it front and I am saying go back 2 layers means it goes back to banana and basketball. Let us see. Can you see banana and basketball is there and our dino is at the back. Okay. So these are the functionalities of the block palettes under this looks block menu. Okay. I have covered all the block palettes. Okay. You just work upon this, and if you have any doubt, do let me know. I will be ready to clear all your doubts. Okay. We will meet you in the next video with another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.